How to realign a map. The map is askew and we will need to align it. Select the Zoom tool on the left panel. Left-click on the image. The image should be 200%. Select the Measure tool on the left panel. Left-click on the left edge of the map. Hold and drag it to the right edge. Let it go. Select Image on the top panel. Select Image Rotate and then Arbitrary. The Rotate Canvas box has populated the angle that we measured with the Measure tool. The map will adjust to the angle and become straight.